Alright, David Drape of Drape's Creations here. Let's pull off some supports. Boom! Got a couple more pieces. It'll pull off here and there. Let's see. What can I do with my bare hands, and what can I do with the tools? Let's see. Oh, looks like my mitts are working just enough. Oh, yep, there's that piece. Yeah, that piece. Let's see. There's got one more piece right here. Let's see, can I do it? Can I wiggle it out? Oh, wiggle. Oh, wiggle. Oh, no, we're gonna have to go ahead. We're gonna have to go in with the tools. Yeah, oh, see, that's why, yeah. Alright, cool, but now we got it. Another mimic coming at you. Another mimic from Five Nights at Freddy's Ruin, done in the 1/10 scale. Oh, here's another one that I've got, that I primed up already, that I'm getting ready to paint, so you can see a little bit more detail, just for funsies. Always gotta keep everything in rotation, you know? Who wants to see some more supports come off? I got more supports. Look at this. This is from the movie Repo. Yeah. Giant scalpel gonna cut you up. Repo man. Boom. Just give it a nice little pinch. A pinch in his hair. A pinch in his hair. Ooh. And then all of this is going to get turned into more art later on. I'll do another video showing you how I do that. That's a lot of fun. You get to use a meat grinder. Oh. And then all these pieces get glued together and become a giant scalpel. I'll toss a video on all that. Now I do need to get in here to get these little pieces like this, but that's what I enjoy about 3D printing is all the minute details. You can get lost in them. There's no wrong way to make art, except not make it at all. Yeah, look at that. Looking good. Strip off that little spider web right there. Bingo, here we go. We're on a roll. It's like corn on the cob. Alright, and then it goes from this to this. Sweet home mom.
It's a thankless job, but somebody's got to do it.
Just wanted to share real quick, while I was in here, it has climbed to 93 degrees. Whoa. It's hot in here. Whew.